Hello again and welcome back. You're on air with Sophie H. I hope your 2023 has been a great year for you. Today we're diving into the exciting world of digital marketing and let's discuss the trends that are setting to dominate in 2024. You definitely don't want to miss out on these game-changing strategies. For the past couple of years, AI is the top trend marketers can expect in their digital marketing strategies. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated. Now let's get started. First off on our list is AI-powered personalization. In 2024, you can leverage on artificial intelligence to create highly personalized user experiences. From tailored content recommendations to personalized email campaigns, AI is taking a whole personalization to a whole new level, enhancing customer engagement and satisfaction. One of the standout applications of AI-powered personalization is in content tailoring, whether it's for website content, email campaigns, or social media posts. Using AI, it can dynamically adjust content to match the interests and preferences of each user. This level of personalization enhances user engagement and satisfaction. So I talk about this through my previous video, such as using copy.ai, a powerful tool which you can use to create blogs and even email write-ups. Personalized email campaigns driven by AI algorithm lead to higher open rates and click-through rates. You can send targeted messages, product recommendations, and even personalized offers, ensuring that each email feels tailor-made for this recipient. For example, you can use MailChimp, a powerful email platform, and you can write the content with ChatGPT. And this is something that sync both together and tailor the content to your customers' preferences and objectives. Now let's talk about personalization. Personalization makes a consumer feels valued, leading to increased brand loyalty and strong customer relationships. 60% of consumer becomes repeat buyers when offered personalized purchasing experiences. The consumer journey should focus on individualism instead of marketing personas, since not all consumer groups have the same pain points. The first step in encouraging returning customers is through CRM. Using CRM, you can understand your customers better. The CRM system can help you to gather and analyze valuable data about your customers, including their preferences, purchases history, and even engagement patterns. By understanding your customers better, you can tailor your marketing strategies to meet their specific needs. You can use HubSpot CRM to segment your audience based on their preferences and behaviors and send targeted and personalized messages through email campaigns, social media, and even personalized offers on your website. Video marketing continues to evolve, and in 2024, short form video content is getting even more popular. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels are dominating, so you need to embrace these trends to capture the attention of your audience. Did you know that 86% of consumers consider a brand's authenticity in their purchase decision? These consumers also crave more genuine connections and become more adept at spotting inauthentic marketing efforts, especially for Gen Z consumers. Interactive and shoppable video content is taking user engagement to the next level. Marketers now can create live videos where viewers can interact with content and make purchases directly from the video itself, much like TikTok shopping experiences. And you can definitely turn your video into a storefront, providing a seamless shopping experiences. And while we're talking about video, short form videos boast 76% higher impressions with campaigns using TikTok or Instagram Reels and more effective than compared to other video formats. Social commerce is on the rise, blurring the lines between social media and online shopping. As consumers increasingly research brands and seek product recommendation on social media, you can expect substantial growth in the integration of e-commerce into social platforms. Did you know that 20% of consumers actively use social media to find products to buy? This figure is expected to rise as more brands discuss on how to implement social commerce in their strategies. In my previous video, I shared on how you can set up TikTok sellers account and even affiliate marketing where you can promote products and earn commissions. This is a surefire way to create passive income or even enhance your brand, generating more for your business. TikTok will become a full-fledged marketplace, allowing users to discover, shop, and even making transactions without even leaving the app. This is definitely a game changer for e-commerce businesses. The next one is sustainability and ethical marketing. These practices continue to gain prominence as more consumers are becoming more conscious and vocal about social issues and even the environmental awareness. In 2024, consumers will become more conscious than ever, and they expect brands to be environmentally responsible. So businesses need to showcase eco-friendly practices such as using recycled packaging and of course launch campaigns that promote environmental causes. And there you have it, the top 5 marketing trends to watch out for in 2024. Stay ahead of the curve by incorporating these trends into your strategy and adapt to the ever-changing landscape of marketing. Before we wrap up 2023, I would like to thank each and every one of you. Thank you so much for supporting this channel, and if you find this content helpful, don't forget to give us a like, subscribe to my channel if you're new here. I'm wishing you all the best for 2024. So stay tuned for more exciting content, and in the meantime, take care and have a fabulous new year.